Hello, everyone. Essential customer service tips for your bakery business in Nigeria. Essential customer service tips for your bakery business in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about in this video. Customer is king. Without the customer, you are out of business. You're not in business. So you have to know how to maintain customer service in your business. As the owner of the business, you are not the only one that should have customer service consciousness. Other staff members of your bakery also have to know how to relate with the customer. So exceptional customer service is crucial for the success of any bakery business in Nigeria. I have a detailed bakery business plan already written, and I will give it to you if you ask me for it. All you need to do is to request for it in the comment section of this video and leave your email address therein so that I can send it to you immediately. In Nigeria, there's a need for exceptional customer service because there's high expectation for there's competition that is fierce, and then you need to provide outstanding service that can set your bakery apart from the rest. This video explores essential customer service tips that will help you enhance customer satisfaction, loyalty building, and drive success for your bakery in Nigeria. In this video, please be patient with me for a few minutes to learn essential customer service tips for your bakery business in Nigeria. This is Dr. Olubengade Tutu TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, welcome and please subscribe, share, and like this video. Old timers, you are my successful people. I thank you again and again. Please, everyone, go ahead and like this video. Please like it now. Thank you. Now, here are the essential customer service tips for your bakery business in Nigeria. Number one, prioritize warm and welcoming interactions. Prioritize warm and welcoming interaction. Sometimes the people that you are trying to serve in your bakery business are going to try to offend you. I'm telling you, many people on the comment section of this video, they will come and say some things, not that they abuse or they say any derogatory thing, but something that has been said clearly in the video. They will still come and be asking, they'll be behaving anyhow. Like I said on this series of bakery business, I said I have a business plan. If you want the business plan, ask for it in the comment section. When you ask for it, leave your email address there so that I will send it to you. Up to 5 people have asked for the business plan, but did not leave their email address. And they are even reminding me that they have sent for it. Doesn't mean when they saw when they saw my announcement that I have the business plan I want to send to you, didn't they go ahead to see that I asked them to leave their email address there? And then I've responded to them that they should drop their email address. So many people in your bakery business too will be doing this, and you have to be careful. So creating a positive first impression is vital in customer service. Train your staff to greet customers with a smile. A warm, friendly greeting makes customers feel valued and welcome. Be approachable and attentive. Encourage staff to engage with customers in a helpful and respectful manner. Another thing is you have to offer personalized service. That's number 2. Personalized service can significantly enhance the customer experience. Implement the following strategies. Remember regular customers. Train your staff to remember frequent customers and their preferences, which makes them feel special. Then number 2 in this regard is customized orders. Offer options for customizing cakes and other baked goods to keep individual preferences or to meet individual preferences. Number 3, provide clear and accurate information. Ensuring that customers have all the necessary information can prevent misunderstandings and enhance satisfaction. And how do you do this? Display menu clearly. Ensure that your menu is easy to read and includes details on ingredients and prices. Another way is communicate specials and promotions. Keep customers informed about daily specials, promotions, and new products. Number 4, handle complaints gracefully. Addressing customer complaints effectively is crucial for maintaining a positive reputation. Then you have to listen actively. Allow customers to express their concerns without interruption and acknowledge their feelings. Resolve issues promptly. Take swift action to address complaints and offer solutions or compensations when appropriate. Number 5, train staff regularly. Investing in staff training ensures that your team provides consistent and high quality service. Provide customer service training to your staff, provide regular training sessions, focus on communication skills, problem solving, and conflict resolution. Don't assume that they have customer service skills already. Even if they have it before they join you, still organize some training for them. It will not cost you much, and you are the one that will gain it more. Now, somebody have learned customer service from somewhere else. You now come to your bakery. You want the person to be using all the customer service skills, and then they are having some grievances with you. They will not use all of it. They will keep some. But when you yourself, you train them, organize training for them, and they have no choice. They have no reason to say they are going to treat customer or relate with customer anyhow. Remember, if you don't train them, don't blame them. So it's better you train them so that you don't have any cause to regret it. So there's also the product knowledge. This is another way on training customer. Ensure that staff are knowledgeable about your products and can answer customers' questions confidently. There are so many customer service you have reached out to, and then you ask them for this, they are not able to answer. Even you, you're not a customer, you are not in the staff of the company. You have read it on their everything. You've read it on their website that this is what they provide. But you just want to confirm some things. Then the customer service is telling you they don't know. That is a bad one if your staff are doing that. So that's why you have to let them know about what is going on in the company and in your bakery. So this is Dr. Olubengade Tutu TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, I welcome you and I want you to please like this video, subscribe and share this video. Old timers, you are my successful people. I thank you again and again. Please, if it's your first time, and if you're old timer, go ahead and like the video now, please. Just give you 1, 2, 3 seconds to do that. Like the video. When you like the video, it makes it available. The YouTube algorithm knows that you're interacting and engaging with the video. So like the video now. Number 6 way is implement efficient service processes. Streamline your service processes to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. And one way to do this is to optimize order fulfillment. Implement systems to ensure that orders are processed accurately and delivered promptly. Another way is to minimize wait times. Use efficient checkout and payment processes to reduce waiting times for customers. Number 7, create a comfortable and clean environment. This cannot be overemphasized. I've seen so many small eateries, so many small mama put, so many small restaurants. The only thing that they lack is cleanliness. If only they can be clean, I'm telling you, they are going to blow. But in fact, some of them, I will enter the place, I will go out. I cannot eat there. But if the place is clean, you enter the place, on the table, there's water. You enter the plate somebody used to eat, they have not packed it. So all these things are there. You enter the place, even the person selling, see the way the person dress. And then the person, you see, tying wrapper. As she want to answer, she want to make soup, she's tying a wrapper. So all these things, and then should not be. And so you create a comfortable and clean environment. A clean and inviting environment contributes to a positive customer experience. Maintain cleanliness. Ensure that your bakery is clean and well maintained at all times. I went somewhere and people that are cleaning, they don't go on break. They just rest for a while. After a while, they will move around. Anywhere that is dirty, they clean it again. They will sit for a while. Anywhere, they move around again. Anywhere dirty, they clean it. That is what it takes. So you create a comfortable atmosphere. Design a welcoming space with comfortable seating and pleasant decor and good smell, good odor. Then engagement with customers on social media. Social media offers a platform to engage with customers and address their needs. I've done a video on this already, so you can check that out in this series also. Response to inquiries promptly. Monitor your social media channels and respond to customers' questions and feedback in a timely manner. Then share customer stories. Highlight positive customer experiences and reviews on your social media profiles. Then solicit and act on customer feedback. That's number 9. Ask customers to give you a feedback. And then don't just ask for the feedback, also act on the feedback that they give you. Gathering and acting on customer feedback helps improve your services. Request customer feedback. Encourage customers to provide feedback through surveys or comment cards. Then also implement improvements. Use the feedback to make necessary adjustments and improve your bakery's offerings. Number 10, reward loyal customers. Show appreciation for your loyal customers to foster long-term relationships. Offer loyalty programs. Implement loyalty programs or reward systems to encourage repeat business. Provide exclusive offers. Offer special discounts or promotions to regular customers. In conclusion, delivering exceptional customer service is key to the success of your bakery business in Nigeria. By prioritizing warm interactions, offering personalized service, handling complaints gracefully, and training your staff effectively, you can enhance customer satisfaction and build lasting relationships. Implementing efficient service processes, maintaining a clean environment, and engaging with customers on social media further contribute to a positive customer experience. Also, solicit feedback and reward loyal customers to ensure continuous success and growth for your bakery. For more insights on improving your bakery business and enhancing customer service, subscribe to Dr. Olubengade Tutu TV for expert tips and advice. For more tips on this, on the bakery business, subscribe and I'm going to respond to you. This is Dr. Olubengade Tutu TV. If you're a first timer on this channel, I welcome you and I'm happy that you are on this channel. My old timers also, I'm thankful and I welcome you. Please go ahead and like this video, share the link of this video, and let's keep going. Now go ahead and watch this next video showing on your screen from my channel. I am going to see you in the next video.